What's going on, that guys? Royal Duke here. This is Royal Duke here. Today we're doing a video. Sorry if I'm not showing my face. But today we are going to be doing a feeding video with Noah. And he's already started. I think he's just about done. You done? He's done. Now here we go with the burping. This is for you, Sarah. Royal Duke out. Royal Duke out.